They are scrambling for this penny stock to be acquired. NES stock, Nuverra Environmental. So the news is that Select Energy Services has agreed to acquire Nuverra Environmental Solutions for $45 million. That is why market participants are scrambling and falling over themselves to acquire this, get involved with this stock. And that includes the deal includes $20 million of long-term debt, net cash. So Nuverra's shareholders will get 4.2 million shares of Select Class A shares in exchange for Nuverra shares. That's the news. That's the news behind this 112.23% rally we've seen. The stock has been on the move in this session of the 13th of December 2021. At some point, it reached this high of $3.33. We have been able to determine that it has a prospect of getting to $4.83. Is it possible in this session? Is it possible? Well, fingers crossed. You never know. Fingers crossed. It at some point it moved sideways. Now it's gradually extending, and it's extending in a nice fashion. Has never really fallen below the 50-day moving average, but mostly just always getting support from the 10-day moving average. It's just one dip below the 20-day moving average. All of these are positive signs. $4.8. Is that a realistic target in this session, or indeed maybe subsequent sessions? Is that a realistic target? Anything can happen, but he hasn't come close to that. He hasn't come close to that in this session based on what he has printed, but we're maintaining that target of $4.8, $4.83. Now Nuverra, it's seen market participants falling over themselves to get involved with it. Let's get the volumes for this session. The volume is at 61.259 million shares. The stock is definitely one of the most active stocks right now in this session of the 13th of December. But the underlying trend of the stock is very much bearish. But even though we have this target, just be really careful with this stock. Momentum definitely precedes price action. There's every chance that it's going to retrace in the post and in the post session of this post market session of this session, and then subsequent one. So there's every likelihood this is going to happen. The news is positive. Market participants love that news, but you know, even though we have this target of 4.83, it's likely that it will pull back, correct, retrace from where it is right now. So just be really careful right now. Just be really careful. And when we get more, we're going to update you concerning this stock. Thank you very much for watching this video.